the trial against former Northwest Health Department, that's the head, Dr. Thabo Lekalakala, continues in the Northwest High Court today. Lekalakala facing 4 charges in relation to the Gupta-linked Mediosa company. He's accused of irregularly procuring the mobile clinics back in 2017. This was in contravention of procedures outlined in the Public Finance Management Act. Our reporter, Bafedile Moerane, following this particular story. Bafedile, good morning to you. Viewers would be keen to know that there are also allegations that Dr. Lekalakala may have received some gratification, basically bribes, is it, in exchange for him approving the buying of these Mediosa trucks that have been stuck at some place and have never really worked?
Well, that's what the court will hear, and as you say, that the public would really want to hear what exactly transpired on that one. The witnesses will be called before the court to explain as to what exactly happened, how come this particular project was procured, because it's only the first witness who took the stand yesterday there. He's from the National Department of Treasury. His name is Simon Shai. He was roped in this matter by the Hawks after being approached. After the Hawks approached the department to say, please help us with some information, in particular in relation to the Public Financial Management Act, as to what steps should be followed when local government or the provincial government or even the national government have to follow when they procure something for to be used wherever. So Simon Shai has told the court there that he has done interviews himself in interviewing those who are working very close to Dr. Thabo Lekalakala, and also having to receive affidavits from some of them. And we understand the National Prosecuting Authority says a number of witnesses will be called to testify, those in particular who were working very close to Dr. Thabo Lekalakala back in 2017. Remember, this is one of the cases that led to his dismissal as the HOD of the Department of Health in the Northwest back in 2018. So just 3 months ago, Dr. Thabo Lekalakala has been acquitted in one of the fraud cases where allegedly, now because he's been acquitted, they were alleging that he defrauded the department by faking his qualifications or having to state that he has certain qualifications, whereas he does not have those qualifications. But however, he has been acquitted on that particular matter, and also this matter of procuring mobile clinics that have since been stuck in Ratong local municipality. They've never been used anywhere since they've been procured, which means now 30 million rand of taxpayers' money was taken and paid for, and for something that it's not being used for the gain of the public. And we understand, according to the state witness, that this particular project was not even budgeted for, according to his investigations, and this money was transferred somewhere within the department to procure this particular 2 mobile clinics that were aimed to assist the community of Ratlo, as well as the Dr. Ruth Sokhomotsi Mompati sub-district, because they are predominantly rural here in the Northwest. So the first state witness, Simon Shai, is expected to continue with the testimony this morning, and the prosecution it's in fact expected to call more of the witnesses that have actually been highlighted on the statement made through the testimony yesterday by Simon Shai. And as you indicate there, we understand that this matter, the member of SCOPA back in 2017, who is also expected to come before the court, at this point in time, we do not know his or her name, but he's the one who complained to the SIU and the Hawks about this matter. And the SIU has since freezed Dr. Thabo Lekalakala's pension funds as part of trying to recoup the money back into the coffers of the provincial government. So as it stands right now, the court is expected to resume at 10 o'clock with the first state witness, to continue where he left off yesterday. So it's really shocking revelations there before this particular court, because we understand this particular Mediosa project started in Free State, and the Northwest also got interested into it and liaised with the Free State Department trying to be a part of this particular project, but unfortunately that couldn't work, and Dr. Thabo Lekalakala started liaising straight with Mediosa. That's when now all the trouble started. It's back to you, Xoli.
Thank you very much for that update, Bafedile Moerane, giving us a comprehensive update there as to the background to this story.